Hello everybody, what is up? This is the one and only The Final Station. This is developed by Do My Best and published by Tiny Build. Sitting on very positive reviews on Steam with over 5,000 of them, which is good because I think this game deserves a lot of credit. I've actually finished this one, this is not my first impressions, and it's probably, it stuck with me. I forced a friend to play through it. It was honestly one of my favorite. It's side-scrolling. I hesitate to call it. It's not a side-scrolling shooter or anything. It's quite, honestly, it's quite repetitive with the combat and stuff. It's more the exploration and the story that really carries it through. It also has a expansion, which I highly recommend as well, which sheds more light on the crazy events in the world and has an insane level of replayability. Only thing marring it is the repetitive gameplay, but we'll get into that. We are going to be playing a train conductor. Alright. Some pistol ammo. Some creatures. Some more pistol ammo. Reload. Ignore that for now. Lots of dead people. What the heck's going on here? Don't mind me. Oh. Oh, good. All part of the show. 160 years since the first Visitation. So this game very slowly drip feeds you bits of story, and to be honest, doesn't even give you the complete picture. By the end, there is a lot of stuff that's kind of left up to speculation, but wow, I've not seen anything like it before. It's just so well done. Alright, let's get to work. All citizens aged 16 and over must attend the annual second visitation drill at the local response centre. Next drill is scheduled for Friday. Administration of Almond White. This game knocks it out of the park for atmosphere. Hello. You're early today. Martin is not here today. Disappeared somewhere, all I know. Had to come here and work his hours. Sleepy man. Yeah, the exploration in this game is just so fun. Wanted for Guardian construction engineers, mechanics, and builders are wanted. 10 years, minimal experience required. Metropole lower sector accommodation, meals, double pensions, and are provided. Ad does not apply to settlers' families. Oh, hello. Vacation is over, I see. Don't mind me looting your toilet paper. The boss isn't here today, so there is no need to hurry. It'll be important to note that you can talk to people multiple times. I should have talked to that other guy before. You want every bit of story that you can get. Oh. Guess I have locked the door by accident. I didn't peek at all. Awkward. Are you sure this is a good idea? He's not the best train operator. What if something goes wrong? Calm down. I'll keep an eye on him. James, this is a very important train. I know. To Paul Anderson, head of Burtford Station, blocker code confirmation 3484. Okay. Hello. While you were away, they've installed new blockers. Boss left us the code in his office. Type it into the panel by the train. I will fill you in as we travel. Okay, so he's gone onto our train. Now, a big part of it is us making multiple stops in our train and getting the codes for each stop. And things will just continue to snowball and get more and more crazy. Alright, so this is the train component where our people have health, they have hunger, we get a reward. Now, the problem is they are going to be spouting dialogue, which can be quite important to know what the story is. And all the while, we have to keep these things going. Okay, fix that. That's alright, I think. So this is, we've got 3 food and medkits. That's for us and for our passengers. Okay, that's all good. This guy is getting hungry. Let's get him some food. Here you go, friend. This is all still good. Okay, fix that again. Yeah, so we're going to be getting an access code from every station manager. Problem is, there's not always going to be a station manager at the area. I think at this early stage we only have to worry about this thing. Now, half the replayability comes from trying to get all of your people to survive. And it also matters who you bring with you and who you find. And they're all going to give you little tidbits of story. You are late. There is no express train today. We'll have to take this wreck of a train. Okay, that's a passenger. Hello. How's your vacation? See. I don't have the block code. The boss has it. He is out for lunch. You can wait here or look for him in the city. I'm sure he's close by. With these new blockers, there's twice as much work to do. On the idiots in the government. Oh, the idiots in the government. Locker? Locked. Not now. Fair enough. I'm off today. The new cashier is awful. Get rid of him and find a new one. What, just because he's having a little bit of trouble trying to scan that one sauce bottle a million times? Does that make sense? There are communication problems on the west coast. The areas next to the border of the first contact are unresponsive. We are waiting for details. Get up at 6:40, drink a quart of milk, run 5 miles, repeat every day. Yes? Why are you distracting me, sir? I couldn't find approach to Adam. He's just like his father. What do we do now? We need to find a detour. I know it's a big bulk, but if we can transfer it out of Bristol, we are set for life. Oh. Sorry. A train has slipped my mind. Could you take the key from my suitcase? Code blank is in the locker, but don't steal anything, okay? Yes, you're right. I am sorry. I think there might be an alternative way back, so I'll just quickly check what else is here. Key. That would have been a bit of a mistake if I missed that. Hey friend, I need your help. Could you stretch a coin for my beer? Yeah? Well, it's up to you. Streets are dangerous at night. Keep your head down, or something might just fall on it. What the hell? That's it. Okay. I came here from Morgenstern to find these two screws unscrewed. I see. Still going with the same bottle. He'll be fine. Okay, Richard Rogers, head of Nimlard Station. Blocker code confirmation 3577. 3577. Okay, so we've got two guys. How are they? He's half hunger. He's pretty full. Okay, I'll let you guys do the reading while I run around and check what we've got. So we've got this thing now. I think we just have to keep all these levels even. Oh, that's right, we can craft things too. So we can make food and ammo. Alright for now. You can tell what's faulty because I'll have sparks coming out of it. So I think we're alright for the other thing this time. Gets a little bit more difficult as we go on. Don't have any scraps yet. And don't have any pills for medicine. How are we doing? You're getting hungry. Yeah, so it's a bit of a catch-22. The story is great, but it is hard to concentrate on when you're doing 100 other things at once. Have you heard? Trevor is gone. He was on the west, standard route, S40. But never reached the final station. People often disappear in the west. There is a borderline. The trains? Now the scheduled train is gone. Some rags. Okay, hello. The code? Oh, yeah, the code. There was a manual somewhere on how to print it. Will you just stand here? Give me some time and then take a walk around. Okay. I need to leave. Michael has some troubles with the patrol. Okay, we got some suspect looking people through the scanner. Faster. Okay, okay. I'm clear. Listen. Cancelled all the tickets to the south, but I need to get back home. It is important. I will pay. Money is no issue. Thank you. Okay, picked up a passenger. No details still. Any word from the council? I think they are already evacuated. Nonsense. How are we going to get there? What? No, we need to go north. Okay, we've got money and we can buy some ammo. And we can also sell a lot of money. I'm gonna say no for now. I have repeat. Ticket office is closed. Yes. All designations. That's all destinations. I can't search that bin, can I? Nope. Garçon. Garçon, can you ask the kitchen where is my meat? Sir, I do not work here. Good afternoon. Are you ready with your order? No, we don't serve that, sorry. Did you order that damn triple C steak? Working on it for hours now. Oh, hello. Hush. Tell no one, okay? Something is happening here. Do not trust the military. Come in, faster. Okay, halt. What are you doing here? You're a railway worker. Your authority is limited to railway. If I see you hanging around here again, you'll join that one. Okay, let's just head back. Now, I was probably supposed to check all the way to the right before I took that path, but quickly go have a looky what I missed. Definitely a game where you don't want to miss a thing. We missed Pigeon Man. No, I'm not going anywhere. No one listens to me at home. But think about this, young man. If we have the Guardian, who is meant to save us in case of second visitation, then why does Council build those giant underground shelters? Okay, that was actually quite important. So yes, they're trying to build a giant robot to defend us against the second visitation. And we're going to be slowly drip-fed what the first visitation was all about. And the effects it had. Alright, he's got the code for us. Cool. Let's have a look. 4397. I printed out the code. Hope it's alright. Where is Amanda? Whoops. A little bit too quick. Now... might do one more station and then call it quits. I would like to do some combat, though you did see a bit of it at the beginning. Alright, so we've got this thing playing up again. Why did they cancel all the routes? What? They cancel routes to all destinations. Even better. I don't know anything about this. And this was the central station. Oh, got a message from Peter White. Hi, welcome back. Thank you. No planned route changes. However, there are communication problems in the south. I hope the team can fix this. Me too. Peter is offline. Can we make more food? We cannot. I am out of food. Central Station is Metropole. It doesn't count. Why is that? Only locals can use it. Bullshit. I heard that exact thing. They don't even let the settlers in. Nonsense. Are those gunshots? What's happening? Damn. Could it be? Don't worry. The train has an emergency message system. If there was a second visitation, we'd find out. Well, I haven't got any messages, so... And tell me, please, who else could they be shooting in the middle of the damn country? Now, it seems like I can only hear them when I'm near them, which is another problem. Emergency station. Survived, survived, and survived. Cool, cool. Thank you for the money. Why did they stop us here? Can you find out what's happening? Thanks for trying to help, but it looks like they won't let us further. Fantastic. Now I'm late for sure. I know. Yes, but I don't have the authority anymore. The military is in charge, and their general is waiting for you. This is not going down well. Better hurry up. No, I don't know what's going on in Redmond. Jennifer has had a seizure. She was taken to the infirmary. Marcus, this is an order you cannot debate. His access levels from now on. B, ability to make independent, without operator coordination, decisions in emergency situations, and A, firearm carry permission. Whoa. I'm running a fever. This is why I asked you to stay away from those things. Halt. Infirmary is off limits. Access code. Okay, you may enter. Oh boy, and here's the black stuff. It's not blood. I don't know what it is. Most of my staff has fled the city. We're the only ones left to stay here. The worst part is there is nothing we can do to help them. Ugh. Water. Friend, give me some water. Dude, I don't even have food, let alone water. Speaking of which, if we can't get some food here, I am in trouble. Just let me take him. You don't have to explain to the military. I can't. Yeah, you're not looking too well, buddy. Don't ask me. I know just as much. I heard they're back. Government is silent. Information is classified. I have nothing to tell you. Oh boy. Come in. They are waiting for you. Hello, General. Here he is. They will be here in 20 minutes, sir. Now listen to me. What was your destination? Willstream, you say? Willstream is no more, son. There was the whole mountain region. We, however, need your train for an important cargo delivery. It's being connected to the train as we speak. Deliver it to the new cost field and await further instructions. We all do. But an order is an order. Estimated time 10 minutes, sir. Hurry up. The new route is hardly affected by them. You'll encounter survivors. Save all that you can, but this is a secondary objective. Now go. Good luck, son. Alright. So another visitation is upon us. Hey buddy, how you doing? I feel them. They're close. Finally. Oh boy. Okie dokie. Oh boy. Ooh. Okay. Number one weapon. The chair. Alright, we are out of here. And we did not get any food, I don't think. That is unfortunate. Block code 5755. Sorry. I can't do anything about it. Our objective is cargo escort. Proceed to the train. Oh boy. Do you guys need food? Because you are in trouble. Okay, so now we've got to keep this thing the right temperature, I believe. James Biddle. Are you in the north? Are you okay there? So. We've had calmer days. They report some shootings. Any word from the council? James? James is offline. Oh boy. Let's craft some medicine, I guess. We'll try and match this, I think. So 2. There we go. Oh! I didn't even see that happen. It's fine. Fine and dandy. Well, solves my food problem at least. Well, looks like everything was decimated. Like I said, the atmosphere in this game is just amazing. It's a very crisp pixel art style. You have arrived. Okay, I will do one more station because this might be a good... Because yeah, every now and then you're going to come across these ones that just have no people in them. John, they summoned me to the headquarters. Something urgent. If a train arrives, I have the code. Okay, we've got our pistol. Wanted for guarding construction, the same one as before. Now, we don't want to use our ammo if we do not have to. Okay, there's a list of current routes. I guess that's us, Edward Jones. Good lord. Are you a rescuer? Okay, got it. Sure. I'm waiting on the train. Okay, so we found our first survivor. Oh, okay. I cannot do that. Oh, no. 6687. Actually, I'll keep this because I think, yeah, thought so. Hmm. Oh, I don't think I missed anything. I couldn't go right up there. I think I'm all good. Nothing else here, is there? Oh, look, it's a picture of me. Oh, the quick ones are terrifying. One bullet gel name. Freeze. First you answer. Who are you? The train. Okay. I'm waiting for you there. Okay. Still haven't got any food. Damn it. Alright, I will call it there once we get to the other station. But yeah, you can see just how intriguing the story is, but that is basically the gameplay. It's going to be the exact same combat, it's going to be the exact same, like, exploration and everything. It's just really the story that keeps you going. Are you going to Redmond? No, sorry. Is everything alright? I don't remember them building a tunnel. Sorry, the connection is disappearing. Yes, we do get to see that tunnel later on. Make a bit of gun ammo. Don't have any food. That's alright. It was so close. But what happened there? Who are these people? Don't you understand? This is it. It? Second visit. No. They would tell us. There's no connection. Well, they would evacuate us to... Huh? And where do you think we're going to? The driver said he was ordered to go to Bristol. Oh man, he is getting hungry. Saw the driver took a weapon from you. Where did you get it? I found it. Carrying a weapon is punishable by life in prison. I know. And? Do you think that's from this day on anybody cares? What is illegal and what's not? However, I would gladly take my gun back. Yep, he's hungry. Quick, let's get out of here. Okay, good. He will survive. Okay, so if you are not intrigued enough to buy this game, I can't help you. Yeah, so visually beautiful art style, beautiful pixel style. Obviously there's not much music, but what little bit there is quite touching at the moments that it plays, and the rest is just cold, hard atmosphere. And it's like pretty much the perfect blend. I don't have anything bad to say about it. The only thing that lets the game down is the gameplay, because it's, like I said, it gets a little bit repetitive. You have that constant push of, like I have now, of having the right amount of resources and trying to just get ahead. But you're just going to be side-scrolling, opening doors, shooting things. But the reward from finding stuff and the reward from learning stuff definitely is more than enough to keep you going. So with that, I will say, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think of this game, let me know if there's anything you want me to cover, and let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.